Stay back, Mac.
She's intelligent, she's beautiful, she's sensitive, she's ready. And if Clara finds out, she'll kill me.
Text Cosby to 44686 to win the Christian pilot script and the DVD box set soundtrack by Bill Cosby. Enter today.
Just anywhere. Only Sears carries them all. This is the top 10 advantage. This is Sears.
Every Italian family has their own treasure recipes. And now Chiwawah, we're serving up 2 family favorites on one plate. Our wood-grilled sirloin, topped with handmade marsala sauce and served alongside our signature chicken brine ravioli. Or enjoy fresh ingredients and layers of flavor, all grilled over a wood fire with our Pollo Rosso Maria and chicken involtini. Some of our best recipes are together at last, but only for a short time. So find your favorite tonight and come home to Chiwawah's.
Check it out. She's using the Mr. Clean Magic Eraser Bath Scrubber.
I've heard of it, but I haven't seen one up close.
What's the word around the sink?
That it removes 3 times more soap scum per swipe, and it came from outer space.
It is not from outer space.
No, man, it's from outer space. They're aliens on an intergalactic cleanliness mission. They're here to clean up the universe. Everybody's in on the cleanspiracy, man. I can't even trust myself.
For an out-of-this-world clean, there's Mr. Clean Magic Eraser Bath Scrubber. And try new Mr. Clean Bath Spray with Shine Shield for a shine that lasts up to 7 days.
No time to color your hair. Now cover gray instantly with Gray Away temporary root touch-up spray for between hair coloring. The pinpoint applicator is perfect for hairlines. Gray Away is not a dye and looks 100% natural. Guaranteed to match your hair color. Available in these stores.
Your mouth is cleanest after the dentist, but between checkups, tartar builds. Keep it clean with new Listerine Ultra Clean. It's the only mouthwash with a new tartar control formula for the dentist clean feeling. New Listerine Ultra Clean. Power to your mouth.
What moves me? Healthy joints. And keeping my 5K pace. That's why I take Move Free. It helps my body maintain and repair up to 38% more cartilage. Maybe I should try for 10K. Healthy joints, Move Free.
I was so jealous of my husband. He looks younger than me. So I got sudden age firming serum.
Sudden change helps under eye lines, wrinkles, and puffiness disappear instantly.
So now who looks younger?
Make a sudden change.
The race to the White House is on, and no one covers America's choice like CNN.
I accept your nomination. I accept your nomination.
The biggest stories from the campaign trail, the insight you need to make your choice, and all the coverage of election night as America shares a moment in history.
I don't remember a time that it's been this close.
Whether online, on TV, or on your mobile device, CNN is there every time, anywhere.
Tell me what happened Lyle when you got to the movie. Well, Dad let us out of the theater. We went in and Lyle bought the tickets. Now, naturally, I offered to pay for my tickets, but he said, that's okay. You can run it off. I hope you bought a large tub so you could share. Of course. Lyle was such a gentleman. He put my seat down for me, and there was popcorn in it, and he brushed it off. It went out in the movies. We watched for a while, and then it happened. What happened? We both reached into the popcorn box at the same time. We just sat there watching the rest of the movie with our hands in the popcorn box. That is so romantic. Then Dad drove us home. Now, Lyle and I sat in the back seat, and Dad kept watching us through the mirror.